Fluffy Lulu TV. Wake up, Lulu, open your eyes. Morning sunshine in the sky. Stretch and yawn, big hello. Time to start the day, let's go. Lulu wakes and looks around. Tiny feet touch the ground. Step by step she walks away. To the bathroom, start the day. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Splash, splash, splash your face. Clean and fresh and sweet. Wash, wash, wash again. Brush, brush, brush so bright. Happy little Lulu now. Everything feels right. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Splash, splash, splash your face. Morning feels so sweet. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Smile, smile, big and bright. Clean and shiny Lulu now. Ready for the light. Back to her room, what to wear? Little dress with colors fair. Lulu smiles, twirl around. Pretty outfit she has found. Crunch, crunch veggies on her plate. Healthy food that tastes so great. Lulu eats and feels so strong. Mommy claps and sings along. Dance, spin around. Happy feet on the ground. Clap, clap, clap along. Join the morning song. Dance with mommy, laugh and play. Jump and twirl the happy way. Lulu sings and laughs today. Morning fun is here to stay. Mommy lifts Lulu high. They